Hello everyone! Today we're diving into the Valleylab Force Triad Energy Platform System. The Force Triad Energy Platform is an advanced electrosurgical system that combines cutting, coagulation, bipolar functionality, and vessel sealing into a single versatile generator. Traditionally, medical facilities required multiple pieces of equipment to achieve optimal clinical outcomes. Force Triad revolutionizes this by integrating these capabilities into one streamlined platform, offering efficiency and versatility in the operating room. The system not only provides faster fusion cycles compared to the original ligature vessel sealing generator, but also features an intuitive touchscreen interface for easy setup, reducing procedural demands on staff. Additionally, its automatic instrument recognition further enhances ease of use. The Force Triad is a game changer in surgical technology, bringing together performance and convenience in one powerful tool. Now let's go over everything included in this kit. The Covidian Force Triad Energy Platform, the Valleylab Electrosurgical Foot Switch, the Valleylab Bipolar Standard Foot Switch, the Valleylab Ligature Foot Switch Single Purple, the Covidian Force Triad Foot Pedal Cable Adapter, and the Gold Quartz Force Triad Adapter. To learn more or to purchase the ForceTriad+Goldenquartz-Kit, contact us today or shop online. Thank you!